Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic photo downloads and Telegram channels on your PC using the latest update. If you're tired of manually downloading images every time you open a channel, this setting will save you time and make your experience much smoother. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side menu will appear. From here, click on Settings to open your account and App Preferences. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced option. Click on it to access more detailed controls for your Telegram app. Now, within the Advanced section, look for the option labeled In Channels. This is where you can control how media behaves specifically in Telegram channels. Click on In Channels, and you'll see different media options. To enable automatic photo downloads, simply turn on the Photos option. Once you've enabled it, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes.